Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilom ki khubor bamta kasni. U MLA barim kamau sinram uba Himalaya M Shangpliang hadian baula dep IT ya kashithi ino kam kumunong yalam ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya. Min kasni balang shaka office tray kam jong ka BJP haringkar ki nongbud nongram. Haga jing ino kam u Shangpliang u keno Bajur ka jingne Shiliang jongki nongyalam hapo ka jingyalam u President ba Ernest Mauri yathu uba HM Shangpliang shakilahat pathai khubor hasilong. Uba Himalaya unsa rung shaka National People's Party NPP haga khatlai turek unai lur.
In Shillong, and I have resigned from the primary membership of the BJP. Not my doing. It was notified by the party president. If he had found that there was something wrong in it, then that kind of an appointment or notification should not have come out. So I would leave all these issues to be addressed by the party itself. Before I left the house, I have indicated the flaws in the house. There was nepotism, which undermined the growth of the party. If we have to work for the welfare of the people, then such things should not find a room, such as internal conflicts, and nepotism should not find a room if we are there for the welfare of the people. And therefore I thought the best way is to quit the party.